Murang'a tea farmers have rejected the proposed amendments to the tea industry regulations, warning that they will have a detrimental effect on the tea market. Gacharage Tea Factory Chairman Wilfred Gathitu Karau, who was speaking during the farmers' annual general meeting in Kigumo, says the proposed regulations will unfairly unburden Kenyans.
The Tea Amendment Bill 2023 proposes denial of a guaranteed subsidy kitty for farmers, which was supposed to cushion them from fluctuations in global prices. The bill seeks to give 60% of the money raised from the tea levy to the Tea Board of Kenya, while the remaining 40% allocated to the Tea Research Foundation. Farmers in Murang'a County have rejected the proposed amendments.
Now they are telling the farmer to pay 1% levy on total sales of tea. This one is not good for the farmers. The tea farmers are just like any other farmers in Kenya. They should be supported through the government, national government budget.
The proposed amendments, particularly the requirement for factories to pay 1% of their annual sales to the Tea Board of Kenya, have sparked fierce opposition among the tea growers.
There is a balance of 3.4 billion, which the government should release so that it will cover the total subsidy from the time of Uhuru to date.
The subsidy fund, initially guaranteed under the Tea Act 2020, provided financial relief to approximately 600,000 tea farmers across Kenya. The fund, supported by budget allocations, the tea levy and grants, aims to address broader financial needs in the tea sector. Frederick Muki for Lunchtime News.